James, who now felt really useful too, was complaining.
Puffy pistons? 僕はミスターコンダクターを迎えに行けばよかった。
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting Mr. Conductor is an important job. Important is big. James is a big engine. But you, Thomas, are small, teeny, weeny. And I am a big blue engine who knows everything.
Bossy sprockets! All that steam has gone to your funnel.
There they are.
We'll fix their wagons. I'm not good at backing up.
What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel. Toby's right. Diesel knows that the lost engine in the legend really exists.
消えた機関車?
What legend?
Of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Oh, we better find her first.
それは大きな機関車に任せとけって。Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me. Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball when Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past. Right.
Routine flyby jump. Hello!
The boss dumps sneezing powder everywhere. Start letting. Yeah.